That's like right on the edge.
Dude, you gotta try it.
I'm not sitting there.
You gotta sit there. You have to
After wingsuit guy, I'm good.
have your leg off.
What do you think, Ronnie? First time?
Pretty freaking cool. I think grand is a good word.
This lens, it is so much cooler.
Scoot a little bit more, Ronnie.
A little bit more. You know, you gotta do it for the gram. God bless, dude. What? Your ankle's over. You gotta get your whole leg over, man.
I was there. I'm not there anymore.
Yeah, you're in those slippery shorts, those bikes. All right, 10, your turn.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
No. Cobb's up here enjoying the view as well. This pot's what, about 50 bucks?
I will say, I read my hand wrong. Just now realized it. But I still have something, so we're okay.
What do you guys have?
I was bluffing.
Were you really?
Yes.
I've got kings and twos, but I thought I had a full house. Because
Well, you have trip. You have trip twos.
Trip twos, yeah.
That's like right.
What do you have?
I guess let me look and see if something magical happens.
All right, so activities for this morning is discus and shot put. I need to make it to that rock out there.
Okay. Godspeed.
Oh, that is going to be very close.
Oh, by a foot.
Dang it.
Look at that.
And that was my best throw. I don't feel like I'm capable of a better throw.
How many throws did you do?
We probably did
Three.
Oh, so I get multiple shots.
They're not going to get better than that, though.
Oh, come on now.
Shot put challenge. Not there. maybe someday. Hey, you got close though.
All right, one other shot. Okay. This one we probably.
There's the divot. There's the record.
This is the record.
Oh, whoa! There's the record. Okay, back there. Okay. It's a heck of a record. Getting closer. Getting closer. Record rock. Hey, get one more. Third attempt. He's getting a running start on this one.
Does it have?
Oh, this is gonna frustrate him. He's getting close, but not close enough.
I think that's as far as I can go.
Over my head.
Now we're getting serious. What was that?
Yeah, it was ugly.
Don't beat yourself up, bud. It's okay. You gonna try this one again, Ronnie? I think you stepped in front of the line.
Did I wasn't paying attention to that. But I tell you what, it hit the top of the rock, meaning it would have went a little bit further. The old tiebreaker. Uh-oh, he's getting his form down.
Hey, go.
There's the spot, the marker. And here is the release.
I don't know how to do it.
He's got to do it like a bowler. Roll it down. For the record.
Close.
No. Fatigue is setting in.
I don't think he did it.
They're watching at home.
Are you sure that he made it down here? Was it where it rolled?
No, it's where it hit. I mean, that one hit right here.
Oh, I thought it was that rock.
No. That's our encroachment rod.
Okay.
He's trying to get the record. Not quite there. Not quite there. You think you can do this?
The shot put. Right, made it to the Grand Canyon. Ronnie's first time.
First timer.
Drive up was good. Bus got a little hot, but just busted it down to second gear. Good to go. Still got some snow up here. What you think?
Pretty amazing.
Something we always have to do is make a competition. The goal is to hit middle cone. All right, Ronnie, go ahead and film me winning this competition.
No.
This is it. It's right here.
No one needs to go someone hits.
This is it.
You're not hitting here. There we go.
That was so close.
One throw left.
This could potentially turn into a classic tiebreaker situation.
But probably not. Can he shot put with accuracy?
Ow, I was way off. Shake's the winner.
Or throw.
Well, I guess it makes up for him not winning the competition.
Yeah, that's a competition, so doesn't mean I have a zero. That's
Jake, you excited for your first compost and toilet poop?
yeah, about to become a man.
He's gonna do it while driving.
Nope.
I'm gonna do it with the door open.
With the door open.
You guys aren't gonna want to walk back here.
Don't go back there, Kobe's. All right, so finishing up at the Grand Canyon, heading into Flagstaff at the moment, then Sedona in the morning. What'd you think? The Grand Canyon.
It was awesome. Super
Life-changing experience.
fun. Life-changing. Never be the same.
Kobe's! Have you not pooped yet?
No. I'm waiting.
For what?
You know what? You know what? You hit the open road.
Made it safely to the rest area. Sedona in the morning. Got some poker going. And then up early.
We got true.
Right, about to head out. Hopefully we all make it.
Hope we make it.
These things are awesome. Are you doing it?